Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to back up your apps and phone contacts and calendar details or something. Um, First you need to download Super Backup from Google Play Store. After you install it, you'll see options here: apps backup, SMS backup, contacts backups, call logo backups, calendar backups, and bookmarks backup. So if you want to backup your Android apps, press apps backup and select which app you want to backup. I'm going to backup Cortana. I select it and press backup here. So backup Cortana app is backup. Now check it if it is backup or not. Go to file manager, SD card, and SMS and contact backup and apps. See here, Cortana app APK is backup. If you are a root user, see here, I'm disabled root permission. Now I enable it. Now I'm a super user. Now SMS super backup is also backup your app data. See here, let's see. Press app backup. I'm going to backup Firefox APK and APK data both. Also backup Amazon app. Now I'm going to press backup. Both apps are taking backup. It's take time. Be patient. Okay, let's check. Open SMS and contact backup. SMS APK. See here, Amazon APK data is backup and Mozilla Firefox data is backup, and APK applications are backup. And also backup your phone contacts. SMS backup. It asks for super user permission. Allow it. Now backup your SMS. It shows backup location and file name of backup. Press OK and allow. So SMS are backup. I don't know. Also contacts backup. Press backup. Okay. Okay. See here, you can also restore your apps. press backup file. No. So here apps are backed here at achieved option, and press it and press install. Thank you for watching my video.